Yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is Ozzy and I'm back again with another video for you guys. In today's video, I finally did it. I finally bit the bullet and purchased the official Apple AirPods, the Apple AirPod 2. There it is in all its glory. These are actually the official AirPods right here, sealed, brand new. The reason I bought these are to go ahead and compare the fake ones or the alternative ones that I have on my channel, and that way I can give you guys a more accurate representation of what the actual fake ones or alternative ones or clone ones, whatever you want to call it, actually look like compared to the Apple AirPods. These are Apple AirPods 2. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing and get inside what is inside. Let's do it. Yeah!
Do 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 Ozzy's tech and stuff, yeah.
Alright guys, so here we have the official AirPods right here. Like I mentioned, brand new and sealed. Here it is, and I'm also going to be comparing them to the knockoff ones that I have. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing of the Apple AirPod 2. Now, before I get started, well, I can actually talk and and cut this open now. But these are the non-wireless charging ones. So I was able to pick this up on Amazon for about 150. I know they retail for like 160, 170, so I didn't get such a perfect deal on it, but I still was able to pick one up for a little bit cheaper than they actually go for. So, like I mentioned, I did get these because I actually do like the portability and style of them. So the case right here to me is probably the smallest case out of all of the truly wireless earbuds. They are just outstanding. So as far as portability, these are just amazing. The size of them, and I don't really need noise isolation or cancellation really, because I don't really like to be isolated from the outside world. I like to be alert to see what the hell is happening. If I'm gonna get hit by a car, or some 6'5" dude about to knock me out, I want to be able to hear it before it happens. And the chances of me actually doing something is another story, but I want to be able to hear what's going around. So these are perfect for office use, just listen to podcasts and music and stuff like that. The sound is not going to blow you away. I'm hoping that for $150, these are at least somewhat decent. So let's go ahead and take a look at the box really quick. AirPods, let's focus here, with charging case, but this is not the, like I mentioned, not the wireless charging, which is not a huge deal for me. I don't really care too much. Here's the Apple logos on each side, barcode, AirPods, very simple. The engraved actual AirPods there. So I'm gonna give these a try here. So let me go ahead and open, and the first thing you're greeted with is some paperwork and some stickers and stuff like that from Apple. I don't really need to use those at all, so I'll go ahead and remove the AirPods for now. Let's go ahead and take a look what's inside the box. You are greeted with the lightning cable to charge them with, right? So this is going to be actually very good quality lightning cable, not like the ones that come with the alternatives or the Chinese knockoffs. Those are very cheap and flimsy, and I would charge my phone with this, but I would not charge my phone if I had an iPhone. I would not charge my phone with the alternative ones that come with the cheap ones, the little $20 ones. I'm using that cable just to charge the earphones, or the wireless earphones that come with the cheap alternative ones. So here's a good quality cable here. I'll put that to the side, and I'll put the box to the side, and what you guys are here to see is the actual Apple AirPods. Let's go ahead and take the sticker off, and then I'll let you hear this. As soon as I can figure out how to do the rest of it. And I'll just slide this one out here, and as my dog is scratching on my door to try to get in, there we go. Now the first thing I noticed right off the bat, it is a very glossy finish, but it's also heavier, a lot heavier than the alternatives, and that's probably because of the battery in here. I don't know if, well, this is not wireless charging compatible, but there's a lot of components in here that make it feel a lot heavier, but this is substantially a lot heavier than the fake ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring in a fake one right now to compare. Just give me 1 second. Alright guys, I went ahead and brought the i12s, the first generation ones that I had purchased and did an unboxing and review on my channel. If you are interested in getting the first generation i12s, go ahead and go on my channel and take a look at the review. But putting them side by side, which ones do you think are the i12s and which ones do you think are the actual AirPods? I'll give you guys a second to look at it. And if you said the AirPods are on the right, you are correct. So there it is. I'm noticing a lot heavier on the right hand side. Like I mentioned, this is basically like weighs nothing. It's basically just a piece of plastic, has the earphones inside. If you want some $20 earphones that do the job, that look like AirPods, these are pretty decent. I would actually suggest the new i12s or the i12 minis or the i12 colors, whatever they're calling them now. Those are actually pretty cool. I'll show you those in just a second. I just want to show you the case here. Now look at this. Obviously this is gonna have the made in California, assembled in China, and this is not going to have it. And then you can see on the hinge here, a lot cheaper looking than this one. This actually, you can probably check your reflection on it, like a little tiny mirror. This one looks very cheap, and they both have the buttons there on the bottom, although I don't think this one does anything for the i12 first generation. So there it is. Let me go ahead and flip open the cases, and then you see the LED light in the middle there. It's probably searching for a connection right now, but they look pretty similar. They look pretty similar. You know, this one has the LED light, but there's no battery, so they look a lot similar to the actual fake ones, or the actual AirPod 2. So there you have the LED light. This one has a green LED light that shows up. This one has a white one. So off the top of someone's eye, or someone's looking at it really quick, they probably won't be able to tell that this one is a knockoff $20 one compared to super crazy expensive AirPod 2s that don't make any sense. Alright guys, and now let's go ahead and take a look at the i12s, but the color edition of the mini versus the actual AirPod 2. Here we have, they look a lot similar as far as the hinge here, a lot similar in sizes, even though you can tell that the i12s are a little bit longer. If I'm matching them up perfectly, I'm trying to use the hinge here, boom, right there. I'm matching them up perfectly. There's a little bit bigger. So you're getting a little bit bigger, a lot lighter than the actual AirPods. They both have lightning on the bottom to charge, so they're very similar. Obviously the i12s, the new ones, have a light in the back with the button and the hinge, and this one just has the button in the back with no LED. The LED will be inside of the case. So let's go ahead and open the case here. And as you're greeted, there's no LED here, but the i12 does have a LEDs on the actual buds themselves. So that's a very negative thing in my eye. And yeah, that's a little quick comparison here of the two truly wireless earphones. These are going for a copy of these, and hopefully the next generation of AirPods come with colors where you're able to get different colors for whatever, you know, style you want to rock. So that's just been a quick unboxing video of the AirPods, the actual AirPods, and as I get some of these little fake ones in, or clone ones in, throughout, you know, a couple of months and stuff, I'll do comparisons to the actual AirPods so you guys can see sizes and stuff like that, and how they compare. Alright guys, so that's just been a quick unboxing, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Oh yeah, and one last thing. Look at this pretty cool case here that I got off of eBay. It's a basketball case, and it holds your AirPods. How dope is that? This is pretty cool. Link down below. Peace.